Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're setting your sights on conquering one of the biggest certifications in the cloud world, yep, I'm talking about the Microsoft AI 102, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down a prep course that's designed to give you a serious edge. So, if you've started looking into the AI 102 exam, you know it can feel, well, a little overwhelming, right? It's a major certification, and just figuring out where to even begin or what to focus on, that's half the battle. So, what if there was a clear roadmap? Let's take a look at one way to tackle this thing head on. All right, first up, let's talk about the exam itself. See, passing the AI 102 isn't about just having a general idea of what Azure AI can do. Nope, you need a laser-focused strategy because it's testing something really, really specific. And here's the crucial point. This exam is all about application. It wants to know, can you take all these incredible, powerful Azure AI services and actually build something? Can you manage and integrate them into a real-world solution? It's way less about textbook theory and all about practical, hands-on ability. Okay, so if the exam demands a focused strategy, where do you get one? Well, that brings us to this course from AAAdemy, which is designed to be the exact blueprint for your exam prep. Right from the get-go, this course tells you what it is, an exam preparation resource. This is not some generic intro to AI that just happens to mention Azure. It's built from the ground up to line up perfectly with the official exam objectives. That means you can be sure that everything you're studying is 100% relevant. And they break down the structure into these 4 key pillars. You get a study plan that actually mirrors the exam blueprint. You get clear knowledge explanations on exactly what you need to know. Then there's the learning method, which helps you start thinking like a solution architect. And finally, you get online practice to make sure you're ready to go. It really is a complete system. Of course, a great structure doesn't mean much without the right content. So what are the actual tech skills you'll be mastering? Let's dive into the curriculum. As you can see, it covers the whole spectrum of skills that are measured on the exam. It kicks off with the basics of planning and management, but then it dives right into the core AI services. You'll be working with everything from computer vision to natural language processing. And, what's really important is that it's up to date, covering those critical modern topics like generative AI and content moderation. It's all here. Now, here's what I find really interesting about this course. It's teaching philosophy. It goes way beyond just listing features. It focuses on developing what I like to call the architect's mindset. And believe me, that is absolutely critical for this exam. This slide just nails the difference. See, a standard approach might teach you what a service like Azure AI Search does, but the AI 102 approach, the one this course takes, teaches you when and why you should use it. For example, instead of just learning about Azure OpenAI, it pushes you to figure out if you should use it on your own data, or maybe use Azure AI Search instead for, say, a retail chatbot. That's the level of thinking it drills into you, and that's the real key to passing. And this quote from their own description basically confirms it. The entire goal is to get you thinking about those tough architectural decisions, the configuration trade-offs, and the criteria for selecting one service over another. Why? Because that's exactly what the real exam is going to throw at you. But knowing the theory is one thing. The final piece of the puzzle is proving you can actually apply it, and that's where practice comes in. It's absolutely essential for building that real exam day confidence. And the course delivers with a solid bank of 258 practice questions. But here's the crucial part. These are not just random trivia questions. They are specifically mapped to the official exam domains. This lets you test your understanding, find your weak spots, and really fine-tune your strategy. And ultimately, that's the whole point of the practice. It's the bridge that takes you from just knowing the material in your head to being able to apply it under pressure and show true exam-ready competence. So as you get ready for the AI 102, the final question is really for you. Is a general all-figure-it-out approach enough, or could a laser-focused roadmap like this be the key that unlocks your certification success? It's definitely something to think about.